Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset automatic transmission adaptive values. So for doing this, I have this Kia Optima right now. My ignition switch is on. As you see, I have selected my car right now, Kia Optima 2014. This is the engine type, and I need to select my system. I'm going to go for automatic transmission. Then I go for special function. So inside the special function, I have resetting auto transmission adaptive values. So as you see, to reset the adaptive values of original transmission on PCM when auto transmission is replaced. So basically, after replacing the automatic transaxle or after repairing the automatic transaxle, we need to perform this reset. So engine must be off, ignition switch must be on, and shift lever must be on park, which is already in the park position. So I go for OK. This function is used to reset adaptive values when replacing auto transmission. This one is again trying to give you conditions. Engine must be off, vehicle speed of course is 0. You want to continue? Yes. Function completed. Turn ignition switch off for 5 seconds, then turn it back on. All right. And then done. So this was how we can perform resetting adaptive values on automatic transaxle on this. You can perform this reset on any Hyundai and Kia exactly like this. The procedure is almost the same on many other cars as well.